them that this road now is going to be the main road going to Kalangut for the traffic from Mopa airport. आधी कितें आसलें दाबोलीम एअरपोर्टा वयरसून लोक येताले अप टू पेंजीम, पर्वरीम, गोइंग टू सालिगांव and going to Kalangut. Kalangut, Kandolim, Shinkerim, Arpora, traffic was coming from Chogam road. Now, since the Mopa airport has commenced, you can see the traffic on this road. All these are tourist vehicles, you can see they are all coming from Mopa. Flight lands at Mopa, they will come from here. Thivim station also, they were coming earlier, but now Mopa is addition. Adi, load on Chogam road will reduce. In the years to come, in the months to come, the more flights land in Mopa and Dabolim less side gelo, जाल्यार आमकां जो चौगम रोडाचेर जे ट्रॅफिक जॅम मेवताले ते मेवचे ना. ते खातीर दिस इज अ नीड ऑफ द आवर दॅट दीस रोड बिकम्स मिनिमम 10 meters प्लस फुटपाथ. बट फायनली कितें आहा, कोणाचे तरी लँड वयता आनी तांकां कंपेन्सेशन मेळोंक ना. थोडे मेवल्ले आहा कंपेन्सेशन, खूब कमी मेवल्ले आहा. तांकां ते सायडीक कितें एक 9 मिटरांक कितें कंपेन्सेशन मेवलां. पण हांवें तांकां रिक्वेस्ट केला, सरपंचान रिक्वेस्ट केला, हिंगासरले लोकल लोकांची मिटींग घेवन आमी तांकां कन्विन्स केलें दॅट वॉट एवर देअर गॅरेजीस आर वर देअर नेक्स्ट टू द रोड, दे कॅन बिल्ड इट बिहायंड. हाव पंचायत कॅन हेल्प यू, हाव वी कॅन हेल्प यू, हाव गव्हर्मेंट कॅन हेल्प यू. म्हाका दिसता अशें जे लँड लुजर आहा हिंगासर तांकां सरकारान दुसऱ्या वाटेनसून खंय तरी कंपेन्सेशन करूंक जाय. तेंची लिस्ट घेवपाक जाय, रिकॉर्ड घेवपाक जाय. इफ नॉट इन मनी, some jobs for their children, some म्हणजे एक तरी खंयच्या वाटेन तरी कन्सिडरेशन जावपाक जाय. कित्याक दे आर द मेन पीपल who are losing land, who are losing their mango trees, their coconut trees, everything they are losing. पूण आमचे उतरा खातीर, पंचायतीच्या उतरा खातीर, लोकां खातीर, पब्लिका खातीर मोपा एअरपोर्टाचो क्रावड आतां हे सायडीनसूनच येवपाचो आनी खंय रोड ना टू गो टू कलांगूट, बागा, कांदोलीम, आरपरा, नागोवा, आणि खंयसरूच रोड ना. दिस इज द ओनली रोड. सो दे आर फोर्स्ड टू कम ऑन दिस रोड. यू कॅन सी द ट्रॅफिक कमिंग, यू कॅन सी द बस कमिंग फ्रॉम मोपा straight over here. This is the full bus which is going to come. All these buses are going to come this side only. अब सगळे टॅक्सी फाटल्यान हे सगळे मोपासून हिंगासूनच येवपाचे आहा. सो लोकांचे लँड गेल्ले आहा आणि आय विल पुट अप द नोट टू द ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर की हो रोड म्हापसा कलांगूट, स्पेशली रायट फ्रॉम गिरीम टू कलांगूट हो व्हडलो जावपाक जाय. तेजो आमी प्रयत्न चालू केला, तेजें कामूय चालू केला. आनी मोदेकात जी कोणाची लँड वयता तांकां सारकें कंपेन्सेशन, तांकां कितें तरी आमी सरकार म्हणून आदार तांकां आमी दिवपाक जाय. हांव खऱ्यांनीच तांकां सगल्यांक जितके लँड हिंगासर ओनर आहा तांकां सारको देव बरें करूं म्हणटा हात जोडून. कित्याक तेणी लोकां खातीर सॅक्रिफायस केला. आयज कितलेच माड कातरूंक दिले, आंबे कातरूंक दिले, कोणाची गॅरेजी मोडल्यो वाटेर आहा पळय त्यो. खऱ्यांनीच बरें काम केल्लें आहा तेणी. पूण आयज ना फाल्यां तांकां आमी कशें हेल्प करूंक शकता तें आमी करून दितले.
Not with a smiling face, with a face full of sadness. It brings real sadness because I've been staying here. My ancestors have raised me up in this place. This is my house over there, and the road is going for widening. It is easy to pay money, but it's very difficult to plant a tree and to raise it up from scratch. We, my ancestors, and all the family have planted trees for the betterment of the future. But today, we have got nothing in our pockets because government has acquired this land of ours at a peanut price. It doesn't fetch me anything to plant anywhere. It's all been acquired for the betterment of the public. But the owners are suffering. Owners are suffering because whatever coconut trees I've got is all gone. I don't even have coconut to make curry tomorrow. See this one and only tree standing here. I was called a badkar of 14 beautiful trees here, but not one is existing because all has gone towards the road widening. Road widening, road widening, road widening. Our MLA, our village panchayat member, our sarpanch have convinced me to give you a land, and the government should be sympathetic towards what we have given. We have given it willingly because to open up a bottleneck. But the thing is that we should be compensated actually as per what market price is. This is running into lakhs. It's not running into a few thousand, but even crossing a crore. Half of my property, which is 380 square meters of this 115 by 6, has been reduced to only 50 meters. Even my garage also has been shifted. Which is I've got no place to park the car tomorrow. See, it's lying over there. It's lying on the side of the road. Who's responsible for the safety of my car and for the safety of my family members? There's nobody to give me an answer. But I know, I have the confidence that our MLA, our Sarpanch will do something to elevate my problem. I wish in future that along this road, a lot of people have sacrificed. It looks wide, it looks well. It's done for the infrastructure progress which has been taking place. But the actual owners are not satisfied. You take anybody to consideration over here along the whole road, users will be plenty, but the few sufferings of the owners will not be expressed the way I am expressing it today. So I request you, press people, to highlight our issues of the owners of this place, so that in future, wherever it is being done, not tourists just flying across, not accidents not flying across, not 108 just running across, but we are here as true witnesses to see what this road is going to benefit.